Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it if you could support me by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. This will help me continue to produce quality and useful content for all of you. Today, we're going to dive into a new book that's perfect for anyone who loves cocktails and snacks. It's called Trejo's Cantina, Cocktails, Snacks and Amazing Non-Alcoholic Drinks from the Heart of Hollywood, and it's written by none other than Danny Trejo himself. As you may know, Danny Trejo is a well-known actor and entrepreneur, and his latest venture is a restaurant chain called Trejo's Cantina. This book is a collection of some of their most popular cocktails and snacks, as well as some amazing non-alcoholic drinks. The book is beautifully designed, with lots of mouth-watering pictures and easy-to-follow recipes. One thing I love about this book is that it caters to everyone, whether you're a fan of alcoholic drinks or not. The non-alcoholic drinks section is particularly impressive, with some really creative and delicious sounding options. For example, there's a recipe for a drink called Tamarind Limeade, which combines tamarind paste, fresh lime juice, and simple syrup to create a refreshing and tangy drink that's perfect for hot summer days. And for those who do enjoy alcohol, there are some great cocktail recipes too, like the Trejo's Paloma, which is a twist on the classic Paloma made with grapefruit soda and tequila. Overall, I really enjoyed this book. It's a great mix of cocktails and snacks, with some really interesting non-alcoholic drinks thrown in too. The recipes are easy to follow and the book is beautifully presented. It would make a great addition to any home bar or kitchen. So, if you're looking for some new cocktail or snack ideas, or just want to see what Trejo's Cantina has to offer, I highly recommend picking up a copy of Trejo's Cantina, Cocktails, Snacks and Amazing Non-Alcoholic Drinks from the Heart of Hollywood. You won't be disappointed. I also want to thank my loyal fans who have supported me thus far. Without your support, I wouldn't be able to achieve this success. So, let's continue to support each other and stay on this channel for the latest information and quality content from me. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.